So from a company strategy, and I would say from a utility strategy in general, that we like to support standards wherever it makes sense. And we've talked about both mandatory standards, such as in California, where we've basically mandated power supplies be a certain efficiency level. And there are also the voluntary ones, such as the Energy Star standard, that we also support. And the trick is to actually support these things in a way in time and in technology space that makes sense. So if the technology is available and we think the market is able to adopt it at a certain point, then it makes sense to support a standard. And we do that as a company. Secondly, we believe we need to bundle different types of electronic devices and the efficient versions of them through common delivery channels. And this gets back to the concept that the delivery system for electronics is really complex in terms of market delivery, the channels, how things are bought and sold. And so as a company, we would like to put as many electronic devices through the same channel model as possible. And that means efficiencies for us and also for the channels and the manufacturers. We'd also like to develop incentive models or market penetration models for us as a company that can be used by other utilities. And PG&E has led a lot of different technology interventions over the years. And we believe that unless this happens with a model that's acceptable for utilities everywhere, that manufacturers won't pay attention. No manufacturer wants to have 50, 100 different utilities at their door with different programs that they can't manage. We need something that's common. And so, bottom line, green plugs, this is where we think we would like to go from here, is that product development and assessment, okay? There's still the opportunity to build more efficient devices, and emerging technologies will continue to take the role of assessing these technologies and figuring out how they fit into the market. We'd like to see many more aggressive actions in that space. We'd like to see the market introduction in 2008 of new devices, and that's one of the reasons why we began talking to Greenplug about their devices. There's a huge opportunity here to accelerate the market introduction. And third, we'd like to build better user and channel programs. This is programs from PG&E's standpoint about how we actually get things through the channels and to you as users. And finally, we'd like to ramp up the market penetration. Again, we cannot be successful without getting a substantial part of the market to adopt more efficient technologies, especially in the electronic space and especially in the plug load space. My closing comment is probably, well, PG&E has led technology interventions for years and years. We've been an industry leader in this. We know how to do a lot of things very well, and we have the opportunity, and I think we have the general interest and the drive here to intervene in a space that's new for us. It's a new business opportunity. It's a new business path. But I think PG&E will be a player in the adoption of green plug technology as the years go by. Thank you.